Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cookin' Recipes. I'm Chef Brian, and today we're going to make creamed taro leaves and baby spinach. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and season with salt to taste. Wash the taro leaves thoroughly, removing stems and tough veins. Stack the leaves, roll them into cigar shape, and slice into ribbons. Add the taro leaves to the boiling water and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Drain well and set aside. In the same pot, heat coconut oil over medium-high heat. Add the onions, garlic, ginger, and chilies, and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes or until softened. Reduce the heat to medium-low, then stir in the coconut cream, chicken bouillon, and cooked taro leaves. Mix well and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until the coconut cream has reduced slightly and the taro leaves are soft and tender. Add the spinach and stir until just wilted, but still vibrant green. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve this flavorful dish as a hearty side for your holiday feast. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.